Hooray! Her Excellency Professor Doreen Osazuwa Yusuf and Lady Nekme Obasoge are inviting everyone to their book launch in Toronto on November 4th, 2023 at Albion Library. Nekme Obasoge will be exhibiting her second book titled Benin Warriors and the British Colonial Role in Nigeria. The book depicts the oral and written historical accounts of the military might of Benin and its warriors in the pre-colonial era. It sheds light on how the British colonial violence in that part of Africa now known as Nigeria in the 19th and 20th century disrupted the military and geographical arrangements of the old Benin Empire.
The dance encapsulates the Benin Warriors in the ancient Benin Kingdom. Take a look.
Launch is scheduled to start 11 a.m. November 4th via Zoom, where Nekme Obasoge will be presenting the history of Benin artifacts to a group of Edo youths in the United States and will be moderated by Dr. Cynthia Omoharo and marketed by Nekme Oswa in the United States. The in-person event will commence at 2 p.m. Eastern Time at Albion Library in Toronto. Professor Doreen Yusuf will be speaking about her Ędo Language book and the importance of preserving the Ędo indigenous language among Ędo indigenes worldwide. Everyone is invited to join us at Albion Library. Children's books and other African history books will be available. Nekme Obasoge will premiere a video documentary of the history of a Benin warrior, Asero, and other Benin warriors as well.
My great-grandfather was a warrior, so I'm like, innately in me is the spirit of fighting. So I always go back. That's why it's important to know your history, right? For me, it has helped me in challenging times to help me navigate, like in terms of issues.